I'm not in the mood to drive all the way to the store now.
Oh, well, back in my day.
No.
What?
Don't even start with that. I've just been through a hard day. I've got a ton of homework to do now, too. That's all.
Goodness gracious. You know what?
What?
Back in my day, I had to walk 200 miles to the store, barefoot, on one leg,
Wait, what was wrong with your other...
while my other leg was fighting off 10,000 Mongolian soldiers,
Oh.
all while being chased by the Taliban through not one, but two Sharknadoes, where milk used to cost 1/8 of a penny. So don't you tell me I'm not in the mood. Pick your butt up and walk to the store.
But I got a car. I can drive.
No, you're not in the mood. So walk. Don't forget my pudding.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Oh.